When using your Pro-Op 100 for the first time, be sure to take a good look at the instructions and familiarize yourself with each part. First, attach the handle to the tamper using the provided screws. Then take the capping plate and attach the handles to that. Next, attach the locking lever to the body plate if it's not already been connected for you. Now take the acrylic plate and put it on top of the middle of the body plate so that the holes line up and drop in perfectly. Then place sheets A, B, and C in the order that's specified on the body plate. A, then B, then C. Place the capping plate on top of those sheets. To start making your capsules, pour about 50 joined capsules into the loader. Shake slightly to move them into the slots. Once all slots are filled, lift the bottom gate and pour off any excess capsules. Place the loader on top of the capping plate, making sure the loader's pegs goes into the holes marked 1. Once placed, hold the sides of the metal frame and push it to the left. The capsules will fall into the holes of the capping plate. You'll notice that only 50 fell in, so you're going to repeat these steps to do the second set of 50. But this time, place the loader's pegs into the holes marked 2 so that the capsules fall into the correct place. Once all the capsules are in place, close and lock the acrylic cover with the metal clips. Move the lever of the body plate towards you until it feels completely locked. Next, lift up and remove the capping plate by pulling up on the handles while simultaneously pushing down and away on the lifting plates. This will pull apart and separate the capsules. It may take a little more strength than you think. Once you remove the capping plate, move the lever back into its unlocked position. This will release all the capsule bodies and they'll fall into the body plate. Now place the powder guard on top of the body plate. The powder tray will be to the right. Pour your powder on top and use the powder spreader to then fill in the capsules evenly with your powder. Next, use the tamper tool to tamp down and compress the powder into the capsules. Once done, add a bit more powder and spread it into the capsules again. Repeat this process until all the capsules are completely full. Then remove the powder guard. Using the stainless steel pegs as guides, now place the capping plate back on top of the body plate. Place your thumbs on both sides of the acrylic cover, and then with your remaining fingers, hold the bottom of the lifting plate and pull it up while pressing down with your thumbs until you feel all the capsules lock. It may take a good amount of strength to get that final locking mechanism fully pressed in. Once done, lift up and remove the capping plate. You'll notice that all of the capsules will be within that capping plate. To remove them, unlock the acrylic cover and flip it upside down. We recommend using a steel tray to pour the capsules in, and then storing your capsules in an airtight jar or container. We recommend wooden amber jars to keep oxygen and light from degrading your supplements over time. And that's it. You've made your capsules.